In this video, we will learn how to hide value in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel. I have here some sales data with the value of the sales amount. I want to hide some amount. Just select the amount those who want to hide. Right click of the mouse. Click on the format cell. Click on the custom. Edit here and enter 3 times semicolon. 3 times semicolon. That's it. Click on OK. You can see here your number will be hide. If you want to see, you can see here the only formula where you can see the number. Otherwise in data you just see the blank cell. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.